Good morning. Today is Sunday, and I am working in the garden this morning. It's a bit humid, but it's not too hot. But I noticed I have a problem here. I found this bugger right there. The tomato hornworm. Not a good thing for tomatoes, but we'll see how the chickens feel about it. First, we're going to pull this little creature off my tomato plant. Yeah. Get over it, buddy. Get over it. Oh man, he's on there good. He's on there good. He's not happy either. You little bastard. There he goes. All right. Now we got him. We've got him, and we're gonna see if the chickens like him. Somebody took him around. Oh, ran away. It's like keep away. It's like a game of keep away here. Somebody wants to put themselves. Oh, fight is back on again, and the chase is on. Chase is on. All she wants to do is eat in peace. Oh, she took it inside now. New strategy. I'm sure the outcome will be bad for the caterpillar. All right, this is what retired life is about.